everybody, I'm super excited. I got the electric nail drill machine, JD700 from Makartt. This is made by JSDA. Super excited because I've been doing the hands by filing my nails by hand up until now. I also ordered, and I ripped this off the top because I'm so excited. I also ordered the Makartt professional nail drill bits. You can see here. And these are the Tungsten, I was saying that right, Carbide, Manicure, Pedicure bits. So, super excited about that too. Alright, let's get started and see what's inside. Okay, so I can't see what I'm filming, so hopefully I'm staying in focus. But here's the box. You can see it talks about the handpiece operation on this side. Here, nice little brief instructions. This kind of shows a little bit about what it does, and gives the website. Here, I had to get it from Amazon, and some more information about the file itself. So, and on the bottom, let's open it up and see what happens. So excited! Okay, so the first thing we have here, a little booklet, and it looks like it shows read all the instructions before using this drill machine. It's always good to read the instructions, so we're gonna put that aside, but we will read it. It does look like it's nice. It shows you everything that should be there. I love instructions with pictures of how to use it as well. Alright, so that's great. Got, there's like 3 sections here. Let's open up this one. Maybe? Oh, there is something under there. That's the drill bit. I can't get to it. Okay, we'll do this section first. Alright, so we got some, we have those covers. I forgot what they're called, but there's like 3 little bags of them. Yeah, get them open. And you can see here, we got 3 of these bags. Looks like there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in each bag. There's probably 30, so that's cool. What else? We have the foot pedal. I'm not going to be using the foot pedal because I don't like a foot pedal person. And we've got the drill bits here, what it comes with. And you can see here, looks like it comes with like the diamond drill bits and the stand. Nice. And let's look at this baby. All right, beautiful lavender color. Look at that. It's smaller than I thought it would be. Yeah, nice. And of course, I can't use a drill without. You can make noise, it's fine. First, I was gonna do the voiceover. Ah, I can't get to it. Okay. The pièce de résistance. Ho, ho, ho. And the drill. Boom. Nice. It's got this in here, which should be there. Alright. So, let's take a look at everything. Alright. So, it says that, looking at the instructions here, so it looks like we connect this, and I guess this thing here is supposed to line up at the bottom with this here, I guess. Oh, it didn't look like it fit, but I guess it does. And this is kind of, I thought this would be like a hard plastic, but it's not. I don't know if that's supposed to go this way or try it this way. That looks nice. So to unload this, to put in the desired drill bit, it looks like turn it right. There we go. That opens it, and then turn it back here. See this? Close it. So let's open it up. Put in one of the drill bits it came with. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna secure it and pop that on. That fits nicely. All right, so let's go ahead. Now some people say that you should run this for like 15 minutes to just kind of like get the motor set up. So we might have to do that. I'm not going to do that on camera, but I just want to be able to turn it on. So this is for the hand. We're going to turn it to hand. You can hear it here. That one says it's foot. That says hand. That's the lowest speed. This is forward and reverse. So, oh, I can really feel that. Turn it up. You can see that really goes. Nice. What I did notice about the reviews on this is that you can see I do have a lot of dead skin on my thumb, so you can see it coming off there. That's very nice. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that off. I'm gonna take this out and put this one back in. It should always have something in it. I'll put this out here, and let's go ahead and take a look at the other bits that I purchased as well. Okay, so in addition to this, I heard it's a good idea to have some other bits besides the one that it came with. So I got the Makartt B25 Tungsten Carbide. It's a manicure pedicure. And how cute is this? It's tinier than I thought it would be. So let's open this thing up. I'm gonna need some scissors. Hold on. Pretty these are. Out of the stand. We're gonna put them back in there. Now, one thing that I did notice in the reviews that they said that this drill does not have a place to put your drill bits here. That's fine for me right now. This is nice. So yeah, here's the drills we have. This one is used to clean the other ones. You see here. Let's see how they fit. We're gonna take that out. Put this one in. It's really low. I didn't think it would fit that low. We're gonna turn this on. So this is more of taking off product. It's gonna take a little bit. So like I said, it does look beautiful. I like this. They say this has a rounded portion here so that it can get closer to your cuticles without hurting you. And you can see on the top here it says the medium and coarse grit, so that's definitely for product removal. And then here you go for getting closer to your cuticles, getting in the cuticles, and then for buffing the nail. I probably won't use that. I guess I have this one right here is for cleaning your drill bits. So open it. Those are really neat though. I'm super excited to try those. So you always want to have something in here. You never want to leave it empty. Alright, thank you for joining me for the unboxing. And even though I just did my nails the other day, but I will go ahead and use the drill to take off a little bit of product just so you can see what it looks like. In fact, let's try at least the sanding portion right now. Why not? We will sacrifice my thumbnail in the name of research. Okay, so I don't have anything underneath me right now. I'm just gonna do this because I'm so excited to try it. So we're just gonna turn it on hand. I'm gonna have it at its lowest speed and just see what it does. All right. And it's not stalling, even at a lower speed. So that's nice. has, even at the lower speed, like I said, it's not stopping. It's a little ticklish. I am going to practice with this lighter sander before I go on to the ones that remove the product. They always said it's a good idea to practice with nails first. I'm going to stop this. Alright, so there you have it. I really like it. It doesn't stop. It sanded my nail really nicely. I smoothed it out, which is nice. So far, I'm excited. I'm going to be doing, probably tomorrow I'll go ahead and show you the other drill bits as well. But yeah, I think my nails are going to be a lot smoother and a lot more professional looking. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. And we want to always remove this one and we'll put this one back. Here are the nails I did with the nail drill. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.